Hi, I'm Lucy, your digital twin AI companion. The SyncTwin App, powered by NVIDIA Omniverse and OpenUSD, is your key to next-level digital twins like that one. Simply drag and drop your PowerPoint floor plan and Excel data into the app and see how your factory evolves. Need something specific? Just ask. For example, Lucy, create a pallet rack. Or, please add forklifts and loading units. Optimize your processes with tools like NVIDIA QOpt, streamlining operations to deliver real value from your digital twin, to make smarter and more efficient decisions. Or dive into VR and become one with your factory, to understand and engage with your operations on a whole new level. Do you like to know more about what I can do for you? Connect with us on LinkedIn, Discord, our website, or download the app on our store and get started. Together, we democratize the industrial metaverse.